Good afternoon, student of class 10. Today we are starting equation of line. What are the equation of line? If there is a line lying on a plane, x-axis and y-axis, what will be the equation of that line? Equation of line will be, line may be 3x plus 8y equal to 0. These are the equation of line, because if you find any points from here, you can draw the line in the graph. Like 3x equal to 8y, I got x equal to 8 by 3y. So what are the point we can get from that? We have done already that this type of maths. If I put y equal to 3, x equal to 8. If I put y equal to 6, x equal to 16. If I put y equal to 9, x equal to 24. Now if you put that in a, like if it is 3, sorry, this is 3, 6, 9. Here this one is 8, 16, 24. 3 and 8, here is the point. 6 and 16, here is the point. 24 and 9, here is the point. So you got a straight line. So it is sure that type of equation will be a equation of a straight line. Like if that is equation, if is given 3x minus 8y equal to 2 and a point is given 5.2, is it passing through that line? How we can check that? Put the value. This is x, the x, this is y. So put the value. In place of x, put the value 3. 5 in place of y, put the value of 2. So I got 15 minus 16. The answer is minus 1, but it is given 2. That means 5 comma 2 is not passing through that line. Is that part is clear? I think that part is clear. I am taking one more line. X minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. 5 comma 5, is it passing through that line? Check it. Put the value of x equal to 5, y equal to also 5. So 5 minus 2 into 5 plus 5. How much? 5 minus 10 plus 5. That means 10 minus 10 equal to 0. And that is also given 0. So I can say it is passing through the line. In that way, you have to check the line, point is in the line or not. Okay, one more things you have to know about the straight line. Like there is a straight line and that point is x1, y1. That point is x2, y2. And some points, wherever is it, I am giving the name. This is A, B, and P point is on the straight line, which divides the straight line into M1 and M2 ratio. There is a line AB. P is point on the line which divides the line into M1 and M2 ratio. So what will be the point P? Point P will be, there is a formula for that, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. What does it mean? You can solve it and you will get the idea. Like in place of M1 and M2, this is given 1:2, and x1, x2, it is given, this is 2, 1, this is given 5, minus 8. Let's check what will be the point P. Point P, first one is M1 x2. Here M1 means 2, x2 means 5, so that is 2 into 5 plus M2 x1. M2 means 2, x1 means, sorry, here I am M1 x2. M1 means 1 here and x2 means 5. So 1 into 5. Next is m2 x1. m2 means 2, x1 means also 2, by m1 plus m2, that means 1 plus 2, comma. Next point is m1 y2. m1 means 1, y2 means here minus 8, plus m2 y1, that means 2 into y1 is here 1, 2 into 1, by m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 2. Okay, what we got? Let's check. 1 into 5, 5, 2 into 2, 4, 5 plus 4, 9. In the bottom, that is 3. 1 minus 8 plus 2, that means minus 6 by 3. So what we got? 3 minus 2. That is the point. That means P point is 3 comma minus 2. These are the procedure by which you can find out the point P. If the ratio and the points are given, you can find out the point which are dividing the line. We can solve some maths from the book. Like math number 1, it is saying this is a straight line given. Which points are lying on the straight line? You have to check it out from the process I have shown how to check it out. And it is said write true and false. Here this is the equation of a straight line, and the point, is it passing through that? You have to check it. If it is passing, then true. If it is not passing, that is false. The same way you have to solve the math number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, math number 3, it is given. That is the equation of a straight line. 2x minus y by 3 equal to 7. Passes through the point k minus 6. That means it will satisfy that straight line. Okay, I am solving the math. In the math number 3, it is given, this is the equation of a straight line and k6 passing through that line. Passing through the line. That means I can write 2 into k minus, in place of y I am writing 6 by 3 equal to 7. That means 2k, 6 by 3 means 2 equal to 7. So I got 2k equal to 7 plus 2, 9. So I got k equal to 9 by 2. That is the answer. It is said find the value of k. You got find the 9 by 2 equal to 4.5 you can write, or 9 by 2 it is enough. Okay, one more math, like math number 5. You can read the math from the book. Look at the book math. The line 3x, this is the equation of a straight line, contains the point similar like this. This point is passing through that. Calculate the value of m. Okay, let's check it out. I am solving this math. The equation of straight line is given 3x by 5, 2y by 3 plus 1 equal to 0. It is said m comma 2m minus 1. This is passing through the line. As it is passing through the line, that means x equal to m and y equal to 2m minus 1. So I am putting the value x equal to m, and in place of y I will put 2m minus 1 by 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, the LCM of 5 and 3, 15. So 3 3 is 9m, and here 10 into 2m minus 1. Okay, I am shifting that plus 1 to the right side, that is become minus 1. So here 15 is divided here in that side, that will be multiplied. So I got 9m minus 10 into 2m, 20m, minus plus 10 into 10. Here that is minus 15. Okay, I am shifting that 10 to the right side. So that become 9m minus 20m equal to minus 11m. And here minus 15 minus 10. So minus 11 m equal to minus 25. So m equal to 25 by 11. That's the answer. The value of m is here 25 by 11. I think the procedure is clearly understood by you. Is there any problem? You can contact me. Okay, I am solving one more math. You can read the math from the book. I am going to solve math number 8. Look at the math number 8. The point lies on the line. Similarly, the previous like calculate the value of a. Look, I am not solving it as it is like previous. I am not solving. Okay, I am going to solve math number 10. The line segment joining the point. These are the 2 points of line is divided by the point Q in the ratio 1:2. Does the line x minus 2y equal to 0 content Q? Okay, let's check it. Math number 10, it is saying there is a line. Okay, I am giving the name of the line. A is 5 comma minus 4, B is 2 comma 2 is divided by the point Q and in the ratio 1:2. And you already learned how to find out the point Q. Okay, let's check how I am calculating point Q. Formula is what? You know the formula, m1 x2. M1 is here 1, m1, this is m1, this is m2, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay, m1 x2 means 1 into 2 plus m2 x1, that means 2 into 5 by m1 plus m2, that means 1 plus 2. Okay, next m1 y2, that means 1 into 2 because y2 here 2 plus m2 y1, that means 2 into minus 4 by m1 plus m2, that means 1 plus 2. Here 1 into 2 2, 2 into 5 10. So 10 plus 2 12 by 3. And in that section 1 into 2 2, 2 into 4 minus 8. Minus 8 and plus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 3. So I got 4 minus 2. That is the point. So Q point is 4 comma minus 2. I got that answer. Now it is said one more part is there left in the math. In the math it is said x minus 2y equal to 0. That is the equation of a straight line. Is it content Q? That means Q, is it passing through that? The question is that. This is the straight line. Is that point is passing through that? You can check it from that. Put the value of x equal to 4, y equal to minus 2. Okay, 4 minus plus 4, 8. That become 8. But it is given 0. So it is not contain. It is not containing Q. Okay, thank you, and that is enough for today.